is our 12-inch ball mount. This helps to get the 360 camera out away from the mounting base. With the popularity of today's 360 cameras, everyone wants to get the camera out a little ways away from the mounting base, and that helps get you that epic shot that you see online. We have pole mounts that can get the camera a good 18 inches, 2 feet, or even more out away from the mounting base. This 12-inch ball mount is a great solution for somebody that's looking for something a little bit more compact, doesn't quite need the long length, but yet wants to get the camera out a little ways away from the aircraft. So we use our standard knuckle and ball mount setup, and this goes on to any of our bases, but the base should be something that's mounted very rigidly and can't move. So our strut base is the most popular solution, and we go ahead and set that up so it's perfectly straight into the airflow. Tighten this down pretty tight, and then on the bottom side we have a nylock nut that you can put on and tighten down a couple turns with a wrench, so this could never come totally off. And then on the pole end, it comes with this stainless steel stud. You can put a drop of Loctite on this, thread this all the way in, and then we have a jam nut. Regardless which 360 camera you're going to use, if you use the GoPro Max, the Max has the metal forks that fold out of the bottom of the camera. Those hinge pins can break, so we recommend our metal safe case for the Max. It has a 1/4-20 socket on the bottom, and you literally just thread that onto the end of the pole. And you orientate it. The most popular way is with the lens facing the wingtip and the other lens facing the fuselage. That way your stitch line is vertically. And then you take a 7/16 wrench and tighten up the jam nut, and that's a good rigid mount. We have 2 different straps for our wing strut mounts. You want to make sure you're using the cushion steel strap. It's much more rigid. When you get this tightened up, it's very secure. Whereas our poly strap or any other type of strap you'd want to use, it would have a little bit of flex in it, and it would allow some play at the end of the mount. And then if you're using the Insta360 camera, the thing I love about the Insta360 is the camera by itself has a metal socket in the bottom already. So you can just mount the camera right on the end of the pole, turn it till it stops, back it off to the orientation you want. Again, the lens facing the wingtip and fuselage, if that's how you desire. And then you take your 7/16 wrench, tighten up that jam nuts, and you're good to go. And check out the video for our new all weatherproof powered case for the Insta360. This also has the 1/4-20 socket on the bottom, so you can go ahead and thread it right onto the end of the pole. And then it has a all-weather power connection, so you can run a cable to one of our power supplies and power the Insta360 continuously.